Hello, dear friends, and all our Arsiwi partners and our other viewers and guests. On today's topic, we are going to talk about RCV projects, like the packages in the RCV projects. However, before we move on to our topic, I would really like to give you a brief information about our projects and our RCV token. The RCV token is an ERC20 based cryptocurrency, and the total amount is 10 billion pieces, which is like quantity supplied is 1.5 billion pieces. Sales plus package exchange. And one cell is equals like to 0.005 USDT. And for like right now, the free circulation is closed at the moment. Like we have some reasons why it is closed. Firstly, we have like that it's because we have like temporarily closed the free circulation because of the we need like to provide the control of the tokens, which is like with the increase in real value due to the capital growth. And the second reason being so that for the site to calculate the capital increase correctly, we started selling the token at a value of 0.001 USDT. That is like 5 times cheaper than the exchange value. And the third reason being, so in order to determine how much of each investor's share of the project profit and partnership exists, and also on the to be able to distribute profits proportional to the share each and everyone has. And the fourth reason is that to be able to determine commissions due to the invitation. The fifth reason, it is the firm's consistent strategy that the entire volume that makes the tokens not to go on wholesale. And we promise that the token parts that has no project will always stay in stock. The fact that the token is closed to circulation does not really mean that you cannot sell the tokens you have purchased. You can always sell the tokens that you have in on the site until it is recirculated. And when it is recirculated, you can sell the token both, not just like on the site, but both on the site and on the exchange. To date, the value of the token has tripled. It is our strategy to create our economy in the project that is behind our digital currency in order to have both real and market value and high purchasing power. This is the reason why all produced volume is kept in stock. A certain number of tokens will be offered for sale for each project, and certain projects will be launched simultaneously with the sales. All of our projects in turn will have their material value, that is, ownership and revenue, behind the sold token, currently in circulation, providing both its real and market value. In short, it is our main goal and strategy to develop a stronger economy and provide many sources of income with the strategy of supplying only a certain amount of the total volume, realizing the project and then putting it into circulation in the stock market. The value of our cryptocurrency will be increased more and more by our project and the revenue generated from them. And this is why the total volume of the produced token is large, so that we do not have to issue a new token for the next project in the future. Anyways, let's get back to our first project. Resort Village RCV, a holiday village, is our first project. It is not just like a project where you can own property and receive dividends, but one is also able to buy a villa, though the main goal of participation in the project is to provide both a short-term and a long-term income. So if you have done one of the advice of investing that leads to wealth here, your money will work for you. One of the most important factors for any project or trade to be successful and profitable is that project is original and the first. It is the project that can both become a pattern and a brand. I assume we all know examples of some past and only businesses that have become a trend. Joining a normal holiday village as a project does not make it a trend and a brand, but it brings income that depends on qualities like whether the business is successful or not. In fact, there are many factors. An example is that the place is supposed to be beautiful. The number of tourists required, quality services, fine cuisine, etc., of which we have like a separate video of that. So I won't be explaining on that. You just go and check it out. There are two innovative technologies that will be applied in our project. One is the Skyways technology, and the second one is artificial intelligence technology for service and for roaming in the field. This is the first project in which we started to create our economy. It is the first of many income sources that we will create within like a very short time. In the future, this economy, which is developing further with new projects, will lead us to our financial freedom with income sources that increases with each project. We are looking forward to having many sources of income, namely dividends and the real value of our tokens with increase in a controlled manner with the assets behind it. Due to our project's value plus the market value of our issued tokens, which increases due to increasing revenues and revenue expectation. Normally, investments always depend on the development of the projects, but against the investment made in this project, you have like a digital currency rather than anything, and you have all kinds of opportunities to sell and to be able to earn. The feasibility value of our first project, Resort Village RCV1, is approximately $50 million. Out of total number of our tokens, only 1.5 billion were offered. These 1.5 billion tokens for dividend distributions are also like divided into special packages, which are CMC metallic gold and platinum. However, this does not oblige investors to purchase any packages. Each investor can invest in any amount they wish according to their own means and desire. The obtained tokens number is automatically calculated and transferred to one's account. But in reality, if you have like more tokens, you will have more shares and income. The only measure of profit and revenue ratio is the number of coins you buy. In one platinum package, there are like 1 million tokens, which is equivalent to like a share in this project. Total number of platinum packs is like 1.5 thousand pieces, and only 490 of them are for sale. This means that the number of shares is limited. For example, if one purchases one platinum pack, you have like 1 share in the project. And if you bought 5 packs, you have 5 shares. If you are not getting a full platinum pack, or for some other reasons you have not purchased a platinum pack and you have only purchased one or several gold packs, your share will be calculated based on the number of coins. There are 100,000 tokens in one gold package. This is like a 10th of 1 share in the project. For 5 gold packages, you own 500,000 coins, meaning that you own half a share of this project. We are going to really like examine each and every package separately. So the first one is like CMC metallic. One metallic pack contains 10,000 tokens. By purchasing one or more metallic packages, you become an investor and have the opportunity to earn short-term passive income from capital growth. So the first one is like a passive income. Naturally, you have passive income from capital growth because you don't sell the tokens you bought. So with the growth of the capital, the value of our tokens and of course the value of the packages increases. And when you sell it, you have passive income. Here is like an example concerning that. At the beginning of the project, the price of the metallic package was like 10 USDT. In line with the growth of the raised capital, the price of the package is 20 USDT. It has increased as 30 USDT and will continue to increase further and further. And according to mathematical calculations, at the end of the sale of like 1.5 billion tokens, the value of one metallic package will be 370 USDT, unless, of course, you sell it to like earlier. Since the minimum input is 25 USDT, everyone who entered the project with 25 USDT from the beginning received 25,000 tokens, and the value of the tokens in this number will be 925 USDT at the end of the sale of the tokens offered. And due to the increase in value, only 10,082 tokens were now being bought against 25 USDT at the end of May, and it will be like accordingly. In other words, any investor who invests in the project will earn income from his investment and will have like a short-term income. But of course, the cheaper he buys and the more he sells according to the value in the sale period, the more profit that person will be able to make. By the way, we are printing from an income that does not depend on whether you invite someone or not. But we all understand that passive income depends on the increase in value, and the increase in value depends on the increase in capital. It is like a self-evidence. It is, of course, self-evident that the rate of increase in value also depends on the rate of increase in capital. Therefore, shouldn't we like contribute to this project not only with our investments, but also with the investment portal and project development? Of course, we should. In order to do this, we are to invite people in the project. So what I mean is that this is our business and we all win here. So even though your passive income does not depend on it, we need to increase the number of our participants in order to receive our trade faster and easily realize our other projects in the release our other projects in the future. And if we do that and invite someone to the project that you will also have will also have the active income. The second income is the active income. If you invite new investors to a project, you can get an active income from the partnership and have like a quick start. Our reward plan is very simple and profitable. Plus, we have additional bonuses and even very stylish gifts like cars and villas. With the bonuses earned, you can either buy tokens, use them on the trading platform, or withdraw them. Your bonus withdrawal requests are made every Friday. When you need money, you will immediately sell the package you have purchased, earn active income, and withdraw it. If you can see your needs and sell your investments at the end of the project, you will have the chance to make maximum profit. Or by selling your packages at the end of the project at the highest price but on the site, but on the stock market, you have like a chance to enter the next project with a higher share from the beginning. And our third income is the quick start. From the day you signed up, if you become a partner and invite someone, you will have additional income for a full 30 days. In addition to marketing plan commissions, you will receive like additional rewards equivalent to the smallest package among the packages sold from every 4 sales, and the number of circuits is not limited. This means that even within the first month, you have the opportunity to earn more than you have like invested. You also have the opportunity to accumulate other packages by increasing the number of tokens over time. and to increase your status in marketing. If you can become a member of our Arsiwi Club and receive club income from our commercial platform. We have the second one is CMC Gold. There are exactly 100,000 tokens in this package. That is one gold package is a 10th of a share of the Holiday Village project. And in this package, if you don't invite anyone, there are 3 types of income. But if you support the project by inviting new participants rather than investing, then you have 5 types of income. The first income is a passive income. You have a passive income like any packages. For example, at the beginning of the project, the price of one gold package was, let's say, 100 USDT. In parallel with the growth of the raised capital, the price of the package will continue to increase by 200. And for mathematical calculations, the value of one gold package will be 3,700 USDT. In other words, the person who deposits 100 USDT and buys 100,000 tokens from the beginning will have a value of $3,700 after all 1.5 billion tokens are sold. If he deposits 200 USDT and received 2 packages, it will be 7,400 USDT at the end of the sale, or 18,500 USDT if he receives 5 packages. If he sells the packages, he'll receive this money, or if he sells some of it, he will earn money according to the value of the rights sold. But if he doesn't sell it, the holiday resorts will get a profit at the joint rate for 49 years. Or if he sells it, it sells a part of it. If he doesn't sell all of it, he sells only part of it. He will get his money and he will receive a dividend based on the remaining part that he hasn't, the person hasn't sold. I'll explain about that in a short while. And the second one is the active income. If you invite new investors to a project, you can get an active income from the partnership and have a quick start. I repeat, but our rewards plan is really profitable. Plus, we even have additional bonuses and gifts like cars and villas. And the third income is a quick start. For 30 days, you will have an income in addition to our marketing plans, commissions. If you can make more profit from your investment by receiving additional rewards from every 4 sales rollover, unlimited number of times. The fourth one is the fourth income is the dividend income. There is a profit from the business as a project to fit partners and owners of one or more metallic packages will not have this income. In other words, at the end of the project, 100,000 and more Arsiwi token holders will become profit partners of the Holiday Village. Holders of less than 100,000 tokens will not receive dividend income. As I've said before, one gold package is a 10th. It's not like it is a 10th of one share of the Holiday Village project. Holders of one or more gold packs will receive dividends from the Sweet Village for 49 years, the rate of which depends on the number of tokens you own. So 100,000 tokens, you have a 10 shares, 500,000 tokens, that is a half a share. 750,000 tokens, that is 0.75 shares, etc. The fifth income is the Arsiwi Club membership income. This package also automatically gives the right to become a member of the Arsiwi Club. In fact, even though you buy one or several gold packages, you save more than 100 USDT. Arsiwi CMC Gold Club card is given free of charge to be used on our trading platform. 100 USDT the cost of a one-time fee for club members and it gives you the opportunity to earn another type of income. Club income is the income from businesses that promote our projects. If you bought at least one full gold package, you will already save more than 100 USD. This is because when you buy one or several gold packs for one, you also get another gift. This is your right to buy one place at a 50% discount in the advertising and sales area on our business platform. You know, we are creating our civic commercial platform and we will have many facilities there. We have a separate video on that concerning the business platform, and we will hold a seminar as soon as our new website is open. So hope to receive that. And we will have a very good opportunities and a lot of activities there. So for general informations, it will be a trading platform where all traders can advertise their trades. The traders, the trades they have, their talent, sales of goods and products that you produce, the services, etc. And they can also sell. Our platform also will include participation in clubs activities, social funds, various original tutorials, lottery draws, etc. And all the income from the platform will be received by members of the RCB club. Here on this platform, people with the gold package can advertise with a 50% discount. Wow. Advertising fee we have not determined for now because it may not be too expensive for the first time to gain members on the platform, but of course it will increase when the number of users increases. I want to highlight something important here. Free card and discounted advertising space is given to those who purchase at least one gold package with a single purchase in order to save more than 100 USD. But if you have a gold packages of 100,000 tokens or more cumulatively, of course, you will have passive income accordingly. And if you do not sell them in the future, then you will also receive dividends from the resort project. But you will not have any income from your club income. That is because you are not a member of the RCB club from our trading platform. That is if you have not purchased a gold package with a single purchase, then you pay the one-time 100 USD entrance fee for club membership and become a member of our club. Then you will now have a club income, and you will also be given the CMC gold card for internal use. I repeat something. Maybe you'll if you listen well, you'll understand that some things that are repeatedly said. It is because I'm the packages. I'm trying to describe the packages and all their features. CNC Platinum. So we are going to the third one, which is a CNC Platinum. One Platinum package contains a million RSV tokens. This means that the owner has one share in the Holiday Village project. All proceeds are available in this package: profit, partners income, passive and active income from the Holiday Village operation, club income, etc. The first income, we have the passive income. We have passive income like any packages. This an example is that at the beginning of the project, the price of one platinum package was, let's say, 1,000 USDT. Parallel to the growth of the raised capital, the price of the package increased to 3,000 USDT. After that, it goes to 2,000 USDT and will continue to increase. According to mathematical calculation, at the end of the sale of 1.5 billion tokens, the value of one platinum package will be $37,000 USDT. In other words, if the person who deposits 1,000 USDT from the beginning and buys like $1 million. If you bought 2 platinum packages, that is like 74,000 USDT at the end of the sale. Or if you bought 10 packages, the value of your packages will be 370,000 USDT. And if you sell the packages, you'll receive this money, or if you sell some of it, you will earn money according to the value of the rights sold, or sell some of them and buy one of the villas in the project, etc. If you do not sell, you will receive like a proportional dividend from the holiday village for 49 years. Or if you sell some of it, you will get your money and you will receive dividend based on what you have not sold, that is the remainder. In fact, the most appropriate, logical, and profitable investment should be made with this in mind. In other words, a purchase should be made so that there is a part to be sold for short-term profit and something remains so that there is a long-term income sources. One of the advices of investment is that always invest in the right place at the right time and with the right amount. Best investments, be it a project or any kind of real estate, foreign currency, etc. It is always very important to invest where you are sure. Buying from the very beginning, that is at the best value. You must have the biggest profits. You even have a profit, like a proverb for that, right? If you have both these conditions, then it is your opportunity to invest to the greatest extent. The second income is the active income. If you invite, like you have a friend and you have like invited them to a project, you can get an active income from the partnership. The third income is the quick start. You can earn additional income on commissions for your marketing plan for like 30 days from the day you sign up and become a member. You can earn more profit from our investments even in the first month by receiving additional rewards from every for sales rollover unlimited. And the fourth income is the RCV Club membership. This package, like the gold package, automatically it gives you the right to become a member of the RCV Club. You are given an RCV CMC Gold Club card to be used on our trading platform free of charge, and you will have income from the business platforms. The fifth income is the dividends. We have been a profit partner for 49 years in the Holiday Village management. Now that we said one platinum package contains 1 million tokens, and this is one share of the Holiday Village project. The holders of one or more gold packs will receive dividends from the Holiday Village for 49 years. And the rate which this rate will like depend on the number of tokens someone owns. 1 million token is one share. 5 million tokens, that is like 5 shares, and 7.5 million tokens, that is 7.5 shares, etc. And of course, it is not known how much the profit will be, but it has been analyzed, and according to this feasibility, the annual profit will be between 4,000 and 5,000 USDT. According to the mathematical calculations at this rate, if a person who deposits 10,000 USDT at the beginning of the project and buys 10 platinum packages, does not sell their shares, there will be an annual profit of $50,000. That is like 49 years. Every year you have like $50,000 now. It may not be for some, but for me, it is a very serious and good investment, I would say. If a person who buys like one full gold package has more than 100 USDT savings, buying one platinum full package will save more than 300 USDT, because when you buy one or several platinum packs at once, you get 3 gifts. the first gift is like 100 USDT. You are given like a free Arsiwi gold card to be used on our trading platform, and you become a VIP member of Arsiwi Club. The second one is that in our business platform, one place is given free of charge, no discount in the advertising and sales area. And the third one will be 200 USDT Arsiwi Platinum card as a gift. You'll receive a free debit card with which you will receive your Holiday Village Profit Partnership income. Here, I would like to emphasize on a very, very important detail. You will save more than 300 USDT and qualify for discounted and space if you buy at least one platinum pack in one purchase. But if you have like a million or more tokens cumulatively, of course, you will have like a passive income accordingly. And if you do not sell them in the future, then you will also receive dividends from the results projects, but you will have to get the platinum card for a fee. And if you start like saving your savings with gold packs, you will only need to buy like a platinum card. But if you started your savings with metallic packs and you are not a club member, you will not have like club incomes as you are not a member of the Arsiwi club. For club membership, you will have like to pay a one-time 100 USDT entrance fee. We have reviewed all packages separately, and if we are to summarize the subject briefly, the common aspects of all packages are there is profit in the short term from the increase in value. And if the person joins the affiliate program, there is active income based on the marketing plan, and the intentional partner can withdraw his incomes at any time. And every partner has a quick start bonus. Everyone who joins Arsiwi Club will have like income from the commercial platform. Our social fund is available to everyone who is on the platform on our tokens, and really like they own like their own tokens. The profit partnership income from the Holiday Village for 49 years will be received by everyone who remains a partner in the project. And at the end of the sale of the amount offered for the project, the list of the partners will be determined, and income will be distributed according to the number of tokens they have. And those who want to sell can always sell both, either like on the site or on the stock market. All stocks with a minimum entry of 25 USDT with a maximum entry of 25 USDT can be stocks, but you can get a maximum of 10 platinums in a single purchase transaction. This is important to know because the system will reject your transaction. And if the amount of tokens against the fee deposited for the period is automatically transferred to our account and you receive your proportional increase in value and profit sharing income, the number of tokens you have at the end of the sales of all tokens issued for the first project will determine your share in this project. Why are we like saying at the end of the sale? Because naturally there will be many people who buy for short-term profits, but of course there will be a lot of people who also buy for both short-term and long-term profits. An example is that let's say you buy a certain amount of tokens and then sell them. If you have sold your shares, and naturally you will not receive any dividends from the profit. Another example is that you may be like you own like you've bought tokens, and the tokens are equal to 5 shares, and out of the 5 shares you only sold like 3 shares, meaning you have like 2 remaining. So what I'm trying to say is that you'll be able to get both the long-term profit and short-term profit. So the short-term profit will be against the 3 shares that you have, and the long-term profit will be like against the 2 shares that you have, which will be like will be in the project, and you'll be able to be to receive like the long-term profits, because the shares will still be existing in the project. Then you will receive like a dividend of 2 shares. By the way, this is like I would say this is the smartest move to do, or like to always invest in both short-term and long-term, to do like a long-term and short-term investment, like short profit. Anyway, what I really wanted to say is that since there will be a lot of people who bought tokens but sold all or some of them after the 1.5 billion token sale is completely closed, the list of those who remain partners in the project and those who receive dividends will be determined by the shares, and according to this, the rest of the holiday village will be determined. Profits from the business will be distributed equally, depending on the number of the shares they have. Contracts will be made with the rest, and 80% of the profit will be distributed with the will be guaranteed. And by the way, this does not mean that you cannot sell your shares and tokens in the future. Whether you transfer your shares or withdraw the number of tokens against your share as a token and sell it on the stock market against it, it's all up to you. Our goal is to sell these shares and create an investment portal that expands with each new project. When this is done, we will have no obstacle to realize all our current and future projects. It all depends on us. We have like we have very profitable marketing plan to invite new people. And in addition to the rewards, there is the possibility to get a quick start. We have like a car, villa, or other great gifts. In addition to the rewards, you have the possibility of a quick start. There is a special video explaining these into details, so be sure to check it out. And what people do is they first dream, then they look for ways to realize their dream, then starts to do something about the dreams. And if you want to be financially free in your dreams, and you are dreaming of a villa beside the Mediterranean coast, running your business under secure roof, finding reliable friends and business partners to join a social fund. And if you want to make a career, then you're not to miss out on this great opportunity because it has a lot to offer. For those who will want to become investors in the project, you are to register on our website, that is rcv.com. Also sign into our social networks by joining our Telegram. And if you have like a question or something you didn't really understand or you didn't really get, or you have questions concerning a certain topic, a certain package, or anything, you can always join the group and ask the questions. And by the way, don't forget to subscribe to our channels and share also. You'll be updated on our new videos and concerning the projects that we are going to make. Bye-bye and see you. Thank you.